Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to also translate chat in Roblox. As you can see, I'm my own page already, so you just have to pick a game in order to actually do that. So I'm going to pick Natural Disaster Survivor right here. So click on it and it's going to bring you back to your app if you're actually using the website, because I'm actually using the website, not the app. And you can also do it on your mobile as well. You don't have to use a website. So you just have to click on the game Natural Disaster Survivor right here, and you click on play. Right? Yeah, it's going to take a while, but it's pretty simple and easy. Yeah, it's loaded already. At first, you have a very strong internet connection. It's going to be very fast. So you click on ready if you want. So let me show you how to actually click on that auto translate icon. Yeah. So you click on this Roblox sign right here on your screen. Yeah, and you're going to see settings. So you click on settings and you can see automatic chat translation. So it's on already. Mine is on. You can just click on this if yours is off, and you can also change the language if you want. As you can see, chat translation language, click on it and you're going to see as many languages as you can change it. So you can just change it to French, Turkish, or any kind of language you want. So I'm going to leave mine as English, so it's going to reflect automatically in your game app. So you cannot click on ready. If this guide was helpful, give it a thumbs up and click on subscribe to get more help tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.